What's up, guys? It's your girl MTK here again with another video. So guys, today my daughter will be teaching me TikTok dances. I cannot dance. I cannot dance at all, but she will be teaching me some dances. She's always on her getting her jiggles on and all of those things. So she are gonna teach me some of them little moves there. See me? So just stay tuned and remember, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, like this video and share. Leave your comments down below, please. Also, let me know if I have anything going on for my dance moves. Yeah, okay. This is my daughter here. Look here guys. Oh my god, such a shame, but that's just how it is. Which dance are we gonna be doing?
We're going to be doing just water dance on TikTok. Yeah.
Okay.
Can we wait?
Me a handicap now, you know, so just show me how the thing go, cause me a handicap now. This is the video that we will be reacting to.
So guys, first you gotta do the It's Just Water. Hold your hand so like you will back of water. Well, like over to that side, yeah. Come back here to bring it over.
Oh.
So bring it from your right to your left. And then like you turn it back where you don't go down. Like you drink water. It's just water.
It's just water.
Yes. And then the next hand. It's there. It's just water. It's just water.
It's just water. It's just water. Huh?
Next one again.
It's just water. It's just water.
It's just water. It's just water. It's just.
Girl, me I do dance better than you, you know. It's just water. It's just. What me I do?
It's just water.
It's just water. It's just water. And then what else?
I go so like you punch somebody. Right.
It's just
Bring the hand over each other.
water.
Not like so. Like go push out your hand. You like go 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I gotta do it.
Eh?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Take Take your right hand. You're gonna have it so you're gonna bring up your right hand and to your left shoulder and you're gonna like they're gonna like bring you a little like you know and so and go so.
Catch it.
Remember the hand. You have to do a little
Oh.
don't make it look like this. Like this. Just do it like right hand across your shoulder a little like so. Then make your hand turn down here so. This your hand up bend so make it straight down. No do it so. Just go some me easy.
Go home.
I
Me not know. You
just
do
do
it
it
again.
so. No one I do the circus hand.
I only can do it like this, like this.
I cannot do this.
I can do a circle business. Me don't know what you do a while ago.
I just go so. Just
So.
do it.
Do that?
Do it who? Just do it so.
I'm just doing it.
Mr. Straighten the hand here.
Alright. So?
Don't make the hand look dead. Just bring it with it.
Whatever.
Alright, now this circle just woo. Alright, shake it.
It's just water. It's just water. I thought no one
It's
saw.
just
It's just water. It's just water. It's just.
Then hey, that is.
Then what? Then
No, this so fast. Like, You know, like I come to me.
I got me. I do. Pump smaddy.
Then woo.
And woo.
Then after the woo,
Woo.
after the woo, then I go so. Then I do this. Yeah, just 1, 2. So woo, woo, woo.
Then
Cross the arm.
cross it on so.
Just the woo, then slant little sideways so they can see when I do so.
What time then do?
It's 2 times I can do it one.
You know dance our backside now.
Woo, cross, perfect like heartbeat. Then turn sideways. Turn to me. Then do this. Now look like my lap, please. Just do it normal. Go a little faster. Then slow it down. Slow it down. You still like go fast. Just go slower. Bring your hand after each other. Don't do it so. Move your hand slower so. Just do not do it slow. You just have to go so. Just carry your hip here go slow to me by the hand out. Now just make your hand go slow. Sorry, fast. Slow. Fast. Slow. Then I go turn to next side. Next side. Then go. Do it again. Slower. Don't make your foot them there apart from each other. Don't make it closer. It's just water. And then boo, cross,
Woo. Cross.
bam, bam,
Bum.
walk,
Walk.
turn to me. You have to turn sideways. Then go slow. Then turn. Then fast. Slow. Slow. This is me.
I can't even remember what to do.
It's just
ooh,
one.
ooh.
Dancing. Yes.
And look so daddy, so.
Just
Look
carry-
like handicap, man. Man, am I handicap? What am I? No.
Sorry, what is that? Alright,
It's just water. It's just water. It's just water.
Come 4 times.
It's just water.
What?
It's just water. It's just water. It's just water. It's just water.
Again.
This side, this side.
It's just water. It's just water. It's just water.
4, walk,
Whoa.
cross,
Cross. And then
walk, down,
It's just water.
come.
It's just water.
so guys, it was an epic fail for me. I look like a total handicap, but you can watch and laugh. You can have a good laugh at that. So I did not learn the dance, as you all can see. I'm not a dancer. So there goes. Just remember to laugh. And subscribe to my channel. Hit the post notification so you will be notified when I post a video. And share this video with your friends and family so they can also laugh after me. I don't mind. Comment down below. Let me know what you are thinking. And like this video, even though I did not learn the dance. Like up the video, people. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my crazy moves.